In this video, I am going to show you how to make text smaller on phone in Squarespace. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Squarespace account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your top bar, and on the right-hand side, be sure to click on Edit Site. Once you do click on Edit Site, you want to go to the right-hand side again and make sure that you are on mobile view before we start editing it. Once you're in mobile view, you just want to go to the top bar again, and on the left-hand side, click on Edit. You will then be taken to the mobile view edit section, and what you can do here is edit the site so that it would look better within the mobile view. Now, if you want to make a text smaller on phone, what we want to do is you want to click on a text, and then you want to go to the top and the right-hand side, and then you will see Site Styles. Within Site Styles, if you do click on button here on the very right-hand side for the arrow, it will take you to the font section. If you do click on a specific text, you will see that on the very bottom side, the option to change the size. Depending on what your text box is, you can just scroll and then make these headings look a bit bigger or a bit smaller, but it will automatically track if the text is a heading or not. As you can see, we can make this more smaller, and if we do so, it will automatically show. And that's about it. That's how to make text smaller on phone in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.